Hi guys, today I'm going to be doing a little Art the Clown makeup female version, so let's get started. I already did my eyebrows. I laid them flat with a glue stick so that they would be flat when I apply Art's makeup. So yeah. Alright, so first I'm going to go in with my Mehron Clown White Light Cream. The packaging is disgusting, but it does the job. So I am going to put that all over my face. Okay. Just using a sponge and gonna slap it on. Alright, now that I have a pretty even layer of white, I'm gonna go ahead and set that in. I'm gonna use this Mehron Colorset powder, just like a white powder. Okay, now I have floating powder everywhere. So now that that's done, I am gonna start on the eyes. I'm gonna be using this black grease makeup. This is this Supracolor. Alright, now I'm going to take a black eyeshadow and just sort of matte it out a bit. And now I'm going to go in with a black liquid liner and kind of just set it in place a bit more. Okay, I think I have that where I want it, and now I'm gonna work on Art's funky eyebrows. Maybe I should have done this with a pencil first, but, well, I guess I'm just going for it. Trying to find like a balancing pose. Gonna add a little dot for Art's nose. Time for the mouth. I'm gonna do the black part and then some bloody teeth. Okay, so the mouth is a bit wonky, but I kind of am focused on more of how it looks when I'm like, So I think I like how that goes. So now I'm going to mess up the teeth a bit and going to make them a bit bloody. So I'm using this Mehron ToothFX. I need my teeth to be dry for this, so I'm going to dry it and apply it. This stuff, it makes me feel like I'm eating nail polish with like the scent and everything. I know it's made for your teeth, but I just keep thinking nail polish. It's disgusting, but it looks cool. So I just made this tiny hat out of black cardstock paper. It was actually super easy, and then I just stuck it in my hair with a bobby pin, and it seems to stay pretty well. So if you don't have a tiny hat already, I recommend just easily making one. And that is my final look for my female version of Art the Clown.